everyone, this is Stephanie with AMG Props. I'm going to go ahead and show you this property that we have available on 3419 45th Street. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It is going for $23.95 a month. That's the price of the deposit as well. And then this owner is open to pets. She does not have a breed restriction. So if you guys do have some pets, go ahead and let us know. This will be your living room. Nice big front windows to let in a lot of natural light. There's also recessed lighting as well as a ceiling fan as well. Coming from the living room, this would be the dining room with double doors as well and a screen. Coming in here would be the kitchen. All stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinet space, very open. All these drawers are the slow close drawers, so when they do get close to closing, they will not slam. Recessed lighting as well. Nice deep sink. If you like to cook, this is a wonderful kitchen for that. This will be the access to the garage. Excuse me. There is a door that will also lead outside to the backyard, washer and dryer as well. Here's the door to go to the back. Coming in from the garage, right here will be the access to both the rooms. There is a lot of cabinet space, very large cabinets. This will be the first bedroom. Also a lot of natural light that comes through, ceiling fan as well. And then both closets do have built-in closets. Obviously there is a double heater as well. Bathroom, this is the other bedroom. Ceiling fan again in this room. And built-in here as well. This is the bathroom. This is the only bathroom in this unit. And that bathroom does also have a pocket door, so that'll be the door to close. Go ahead and show you guys the backyard. Again, through these double doors. This yard is very nice. It is all artificial grass. You have a large patio area that is covered. And walk you around to the side. The back view of the home. And that's the only side right there. If you guys are interested in this house, feel free to visit our website at amgprops.com. It is $40 for our application fee. And then we do require anyone over the age of 18 to apply separately. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 619-363-3967. And then you can also visit our website at amgprops.com to see other homes we have available in San Diego. Thanks. Have a great day.